Alright, well, it was suggested to me to do a box opening or unpacking or whatever. And today I got a box from California, so I figured, we'll try it out. We'll see how it goes. Never done this before, so might do it a couple more times, might not. Not sure yet. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, I got this about maybe a week ago or so. Like I said, it came from California, so it takes a solid week to, go all the way from one coast to the other. So not terrible. It's always nice to see when you got something that's packed fairly well. Between the bubble wrap and the peanuts and all that. It's usually pretty reassuring that this, whoever sold it to you knows what they were doing and didn't just, toss everything into a box all willy-nilly. It usually doesn't go very well for these types of models. Let's see. Yeah, I got the exhaust stack broken off, got a mirror broken off, but I think that's probably not going to be too hard to fix. And let's see, got the Backhoe cylinders broken. I hear something rattling around. Yeah, oh, something fell out. I bet that's the pin for the Backhoe. Alright, so anyway, we got a Case 580 ST. I've actually been wanting one of these for a while since they came out. Man, this thing's not in good shape. This one of the loader brackets right there is popping out. That might not be from the shipping, so we'll let that one slide. But we'll see if we can get this pin in there. Oh geez, that might have to be another time. I think that's screwed in. Well, maybe not. Let's see what we can do here. Maybe not. Alright, well, that ain't gonna go. So we'll let that go for another time. We'll have to keep all them pieces together and hit him with a screwdriver, maybe some glue. Alright, what we got next? Oh, we got a Volvo backhoe. I had a couple of these from Motor Art. They're alright. They're not the best model, not the worst. I think Motor Art probably does a pretty fair job getting the amount of detail in that they do, but it's too much plastic for me. The flip down forks are kind of cool, but I don't like them. If you've ever had them on a real machine, they're a pain in the butt. They don't really work well. It's almost more of a hindrance to have them than to not. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got a JCB backhoe. I think that's a 3CX. Now, I don't remember who makes this. At least not off the top of my head. I suspect Motor Art. It just says made in China. Yep, Motor Art right there. Okay, so you got two Motor Arts. This one's a little fuzzy. Well, it looks to be in pretty good shape. Everything's there. Actually looks pretty nice. That's good. That one's a win. Alright, let's see. We got one more. Got the little Volvo mini excavator. Oh, good lord. How's that? An EC45. I've had one of these before too. These are actually pretty nice mini excavators. Oh my lord, look at that boom cylinder. That thing is destroyed. Man, that's a shame too. So that's really actually a pretty nice mini excavator. It's got a lot of good little details to it, but that cylinder, oh my goodness. Anyway, I don't know if we can fix that one or not. I think that might be too far gone. So anyway, that's about it. We had, well, 2 nice backhoes, 1 almost nice backhoe, and an almost nice mini excavator. Ain't a bad box, I don't think. Anyway, that's about it. I'm not sure if we'll do this again. I don't think it's I don't think I had the right setup to do unboxings. We'll see. Until then, thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of these videos and, well, I guess diecast model reviews, please subscribe to Maryland Construction Diecast. And that's about it.